Hey guys, a video on ARM. Yeah, tricky and really weak price action. Of course, there is a lot of pressure across the board because of the escalations that are going on. There is another new post again. White House says it's not gonna use nuclear weapons. Okay, so that's one thing. If they are gonna go on with the attack on the energy infrastructure and the bridges, etc., it won't be with nuclear weapons. Do with that information whatever you want. Iran is putting humans on infrastructure sites to prevent attacks. Let's see. The discussions are going on, but they're far from agreeing, is what it says for now. One tweet and that can change. Okay, one news report and all of this can change. Now we lost this zone, which I highlighted here. So this being a 1-2 is not gonna happen, meaning that this wave 4 is still unfolding, or that this wave 3 was complete here, that this wave 3 was here, that this wave 4 was here, and that this was a fifth wave. Okay, this is a little bit more conservative, gives us a little bit more room to the downside. That's why we already had this orange one here, so have that in mind. I'm still gonna keep it like this, the more bullish scenario. In this case, okay, this is then an A wave, a B wave, and then now a C wave, or a WXY. We have to take this local low probably, maybe then test this point of control, and from there we can then try again ABC in a wave 4, then a fifth wave, then another 4 and another 5. So to me, we have to watch the $134.27 level now, and we still have the 0.5 here at 137.5. If I zoom in, this now also looks like a 3-wave move here. Okay, so a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and an A wave potentially, ABC, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, 4, 5. Maybe we grind a little bit, and then from here we try to move again in still this wave 4. Invalidation for this wave 4 is this 618, and then we are also very close to invalidate this larger one with this orange 618. Okay, so we want to avoid this. Of course, this can be WXY, and then in your Y wave you want to see an A, B, C. Okay, with a 1, 2, 3, just a 4 and a 5 here could do the job. Microstructure sometimes really tricky, so we have the support box here, we have the point of control here, 134.27 is the level to watch in my opinion, and then to the upside we have this point of control at 145.05. Get above this and you're already making, again, showing strength, not making strength, showing strength here, and then we can label this still a 1-2, but it's very tricky. Okay, this is very deep, this looks a lot like a 3-wave move, so to me structurally would prefer to take this low, but then also we need really good strength from here. Okay, we need to bounce and we need to attack these highs from there. That's it, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.